Hi everyone, welcome back. Hope everyone is okay, everyone is alright. So this time I'm looking for a sell on the New Zealand dollar and US dollar. So this is a medium term trade. I'm expecting that we're gonna see one more drop on this pair. So that's the setup basically. We were having very nice downtrend. Price was correcting, going down, correcting, going down, and forming correction and going down. So we were seller over there at that time as well, and we were buyer when that correction was appearing over there for that up move. So this trade was successful and this trade was successful as well. Now we are looking for this to happen, hit the bottom. Let me look at the chart for the previous trade, the short-term trade which we were looking for from that bottom. I think that was on the 30-minute time frame. That was the trade. Now that trade played pretty well. It went up more than the target which we were looking for. So we were looking for first of all breakout and continuation, and then we were looking for it to change in pattern formation and give us a buy setup over there at the previous low and then continue for upside. So that trade was pretty good. Now we are looking for it to continue for one more drop and hit the bottom, this trade. All right, that trade. So we were having that trend that was corrective uptrend, price broken down and formed a bearish wave. So the trend currently we are having is quite similar like the previous one, this one. This is a corrective uptrend and trying to break down. And we are also having a couple of news events this week. A very big news event is the federal rate, the CN forecast rate is 2.75%, I think. And expecting that dollar gonna get strong this week. So why I'm selling this right now, the reason is that the price action is just getting over there, not just on this pair, although the price action is not strong on this pair as with compared to the Australian dollar and the US dollar. This price action is not so strong, but the price action we are having on the other pairs like Australian dollar, US dollar is strong, and that is telling us that if Australian dollar is going to get down, then definitely we can see fall here as well. Yeah, so dollar gonna get strong across the board, not just on the Australian dollar. So also we have seen correction over there. First impulse on lower time frame, we were having ABC move, and that ABC move is trying to break down. Oh, I think open with gap. Now I'm looking for it to continue for more downside. So the trade I'm going to trigger here going to be based on the breakout. All right, you can see that breakout. This breakout can turn back. The correction can get slightly bigger over there, this correction, because the breakout is not so strong. But I believe that even if this correction is going to get bigger, still we're going to see continuation to the downside rather than price going to stop me out. I mean, rather than price going to form new high at that tops like that. All right, so I'm going to trigger that trade, and my target going to be the bottom. So I'm expecting that price gonna hit the bottom within almost 20-21 days, and if fall gonna be aggressive like that fall, then definitely that trade can hit the target within almost within 1 week. Yes, 7 days. You can see that here price was aggressive and went down almost yeah, here at 4 days. If we are going to see similar wave here at this area, aggressive wave to the downside, then that trade can take 4 to 5 days, and we can get that trade even within the next within this week. All right, so we are having news event on that pair. We are having RBN, Royal Bank of New Zealand rate the CN, and Federal rate the CN as well. So I'm expecting more downside on it. So let's sell it and set the target and stop placement. So stop placement is going to be behind the previous high. I just want to give some room to this trade so that in case if because the first impulse is not so strong, if that is going to form a bit high from the previous, going slightly bit higher from the previous top, then still I'm gonna stay into that trade rather than getting out. So my stop loss gonna be 67 to 75. All right, 67 to 75, or almost 300. All right, so let's put it 67 300, and target gonna be 64 600. All right, 64 almost 700 gonna be all right, but that target can vary. All right, we can change that target based on the price section at the previous low, because we are selling this pair at the bottom, and the potential is just getting smaller and smaller and smaller. So one more drop is possible before we start to look for longer term reversal on the Kiwi dollar. We are expecting a longer term reversal on this pair as well, but we are having a setup on it, and we are looking for that setup to hit the target. So my target gonna be 64 715, and my stop loss gonna be 67 300. All right, so 67 300, and target gonna be, but that target can change. As I said, we're gonna watch price action at the previous bottom. All right, so let's trigger the trade. This bottom. All right, that target can change at that bottom. So we'll see that how price gonna behave at that bottom. So if all gonna be aggressive, then definitely we're gonna hold that trade for further downside. All right, so I'm just waiting for yeah, it triggered the trade. So once trade gonna process further, guys, we'll see you back. Thank you very much. Bye bye. Hi everyone, welcome back. So we were looking for sell on the Kiwi dollar from that top. We were looking for that wave. So we got that wave. Price reached to the target, hit the target, and that was the wave which we were looking for. So the let me look at the previous charts so that you can understand that what we were expecting on the Kiwi dollar from previous moves. So before that we were looking for it to go down, and then from this bottom to go back up, this correction to continue for upside, and from that top to go down. So the trade which we have just taken recently and hit the target. So that was the chart, watching price action at this area for this wave or change in pattern formation. So we got the nice price action from top, and then we got the correction, and then we took that trade all the way back to the bottom. And when price hit the bottom, then we were looking for this 30-minute time frame to break up and continue for upside. So it broken up pretty good, then changed into another pattern formation. So that was the breakout, and then we were looking for buy here. We got that buy, and then we were looking for sell here at that top. The current trade, the trade you guys have just seen, this wave hit the bottom, and once price was falling to the downside and having that correction, we were expecting that correction gonna break down, and we were looking for more downside at that area. And once price breaking down that correction, this correction breaking down, we were expecting another correction to break down and continue to the downside. So Kiwi dollar doing pretty well. It is moving the way we are looking on it, and we are having some nice setups, nice trade, profitable trades on this. And hope you guys, those who are following me on the TV or on social sites, they are also taking these trades and making money on these setups. So all these setups, almost this setup posted on the trading view, and this setup posted on TradingView, and this setup was posted on TradingView. And hope you guys have taken that trade, and hope you guys have enjoyed profit on that trade. So thank you very much for watching this idea, and we'll see you back again in another idea. Until then, bye bye, and make sure you guys likes the video and comment your feedback, and hope you guys have learned something more from this video as well. So we'll see you back again in another video. Until then, bye bye.